No, it is 5 minutes. You can come from any. Wait.
Oh my god!
Oh my god! Wow, that's nice. Fifth.
Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. So today we are at where the one of the coolest building that is designed like a giant lotus flower. So yes, this is none other than the Deniz Mall that is located near the Caspian Sea. The building is right on the edge of the Caspian Sea. So that if we talk about the introduction and architectural design of the Deniz Mall, it is the coolest building in Baku and it's shaped like a giant lotus flower. So it's look very nice. The architectural design of this mall is very beautiful and very inspiring. So let's go inside and explore the Deniz Mall. So here we entered where the Deniz Mall, and the entrance is super cool and super good ambience and super good like very beautifully structured mall in Baku. Deniz Mall is just not only a shopping center for the shopping purpose. It is about to have an adventurous trip for all the tourists like us, because inside the Deniz Mall there are lots of activities for kids and all ages of our all age group of tourists. This mall is offering variety of adventurous, thrill, and all entertainment activity to the traveler and to the tourist of the that's come inside the Baku. As the sun set, the mall completely transformed. The fountain show in the central pool is must see. The lights and water synchronize up for the truly magical atmosphere inside the Deniz Mall, and it is truly magical.
Oh my god!
Oh my god! Wow, that's nice.
Oh my god.
Fifth.
So inside Deniz Mall, there are cinemas, and we gather all the information that is related to cinemas, and we are sharing the information into our screen. So you people, if you want to know about the cinema inside the Deniz Mall, so we have shared all the related information into our screen. And next we are going to explore what the sky part, the one of the beautiful, the one of the most adventurous spot of the Deniz Mall. There are everything that is related to adventures and the entertainment sides, the laser tag, bowling, and even a massive slides for the kids. And our kids are truly like feeling crazy about to experience the slide. And here is all information that we are sharing in our screen. That is small slide from third floor, and that is for 7+ years age old kids, and that is for 5 minutes. And a large slide that is facilitated on from fifth floor, and that is for 14+ years old, and that is for 7 minutes. So my kids are really my kids are very crazy to experience this. So here we are getting tickets, and then you guys see the experience that is related to the Deniz slide, one of the massive slides of the Baku that's inside the Deniz Mall. After this, the puzzle cafe is must visited spot for the kids or for all the young agers who come here and play game and while enjoying the coffee and the snacks. And this cafe is must visited because there are lots of mind puzzle game and mind playing game that is good for kids also. So our kids are enjoying. You people are seeing that their kids are very much excited to play each and every puzzle game here in a puzzle cafe. So right after the puzzle cafe, there is a time for some speeds that have 2-level indoor go-karting track right here inside the mall. If you love for karting, so go for Deniz karting to experience this. We are sharing all related information to our screen, so go and have a look. They offer very reasonable price over the Deniz karting area. So as we are experienced, this mall is the best piece of art and what a structural design. After that, after all adventurous and thriller activity, we have experienced the shopping also, as we have experienced to visit Baku in Christmas festival. So we have lots of things that inside they are offering related to the Christmas activities or Christmas festival. So the Deniz Mall is a 10 out of 10. You have to visit this spot when you are in Baku. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more about Baku.
Bye bye.